She may be the luckiest woman in New Mexico, but her good luck could be very bad for all the rest of us. She is an Albuquerque woman who has been arrested 8 times for drunk driving and walked free every time. News 13's Alex Tomlin did some digging to find out how this keeps happening. Alex?
Dick, meet Rebecca Glass. Breathalyzer test shows she's been blitzed behind the wheel a lot, but her court records tell a very different story. Over and over and over again, 34-year-old Rebecca Glass has been arrested 8 times in Albuquerque over a dozen years, and she's gotten out of the charge every time.
There's something going on that I think deserves looking into.
So I did. Glass was arrested twice in 1999. The second time she wrecked her car. Her blood alcohol level 0.17 according to MVD records. Both cases dismissed. The DA's office says the officer didn't show in court on the first case, and the second was dismissed after it took too long to prosecute. Glass was picked up again in 2000, trying to get on the base. Court records show the case was dismissed because the cop didn't show. In 2001, officers say her car was in the middle of the road, out of gas, and she had a 0.11 BAC level behind the wheel. A judge found her not guilty at trial. 2002, arrested again after causing an accident. Case tossed for another cop no-show, according to the DA. Glass was popped in 2006 with a 0.15 BAC, but the court records show the arresting officer didn't show. In 2009, an APS officer saw her swerving down the street and called APD. She blew a .19, but court records say the state wasn't ready to go forward with the case, and the judge dismissed it. In 2010, you guessed it, Glass arrested again near Lomason University. This time she had a .14 BAC, but got out of the DWI because the judge decided there wasn't enough probable cause for the officer to have tested her for drunk driving. The criminal complaint says she was swerving and admitted to drinking. The judge did find her guilty of weaving, though.
This is a crash waiting to happen.
Linda Atkinson with the Victims' Rights Project says her research shows maneuvering by defense attorneys in an overload of cases for cops contributes to officers not showing up to testify. Atkinson won't say Glass has been lucky, but has worked the system.
The luck would come in that she hasn't killed anyone else.
I contacted APD late this afternoon to ask about the officers' no-shows. They sent me this statement saying they need time to look into the 4 cases that were dismissed due to officers missing court. The statement goes on to say that the department takes DWIs seriously and officers wouldn't miss court without, quote, very good reason. Dick?
All right, Alex, Glass has always hired private attorneys to handle her cases, including some attorneys who are heavy hitters.